This is an expressive practice sample. You have been asked to render a message for a deaf kindergarten student. The class is updating their monthly calendar. You will have a 1-minute warm-up followed by a 1-minute break. After the break, you will begin interpreting or transliterating. The warm-up will begin momentarily.
Okay, boys and girls. So remember yesterday we talked about how it was January 31st, and we all know that a month can only have 31 days, right? So we have our calendar here. That means it's time to write out our next month. Does anyone know what month comes after January? That's right, it's February. Great job. So who can spell February? February is a very hard month to spell because it has a secret silent letter in it. Okay, I'm going to help you out. February is spelled February. The R here is silent. So we don't say February, we say February. Great job, boys and girls. Okay, now, who remembers our days of the week? Who remembers what our first day of the week is? That's right, it's Sunday. So, any first day of the week box, we put Sunday. And who knows what day comes after Sunday? That's right, we have Monday. You guys are getting so good at this. And after Monday, what do we have? We have Tuesday, that's right. And then we have today. Does anyone know what day of the week today is? It is Wednesday. Okay, and then we have Thursday. And then we have everybody's favorite day of the week, Friday. And we only have one day of the week left. Does anyone know our last day of the week? This is a lot of people's favorite day of the whole entire week. It's Saturday. Let's read them all again in order. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Great job. Okay, we know today is the first day of February, right? And today, what day of the week is it? If yesterday was Tuesday, then today it's Wednesday. So today is Wednesday, February 1st. How many days are in the month of February? February is actually a very interesting month. Some years, February has more days than other years. Did you guys know that? So February has the least amount of days of every month. That is true every single year. Most years, February only lasts 28 days. Do you guys know how many days other months usually get? They get 30 or 31 days. February only gets 28. That doesn't seem fair now, does it? Well, once every 4 years, we decide to be very, very nice to February and we give it 29 days. Does anyone know what it's called when February has an extra day every 4 years? That is called a leap year because it has an extra day in February. Does anyone know if this year is a leap year? It's not. Poor February. February only has 28 days this year. So I'm going to go ahead and start writing the days of February, okay? Will you guys count along for the days? We're going to count to how many? 28. Okay, and since today's Wednesday, February 1st, I'm going to start right here on Wednesday. Okay, you guys count along with me as I write them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, should I write 29? Should I write 30? No? Why not? Right, because this year stops at 28. Good job, boys and girls. So we know that today is Wednesday, right? So that means the first day of February, that's today, is on a Wednesday. Okay, now it's time for us to put our special days and celebrations on our calendar. Okay, does anyone know any special days in February? Maybe a day all about love? Yes, that's right. In February, we have Valentine's Day. We're going to learn all about Valentine's Day. Does anyone know what day Valentine's Day is on? Valentine's Day is on February 14th. Do you guys see February 14 on our calendar? Yes. So let's go ahead and put our Valentine's Day marker on February 14th. Okay, do we have any February birthdays? Yes, of course we do. We have 2 birthdays in February. One we have is Sydney's birthday. Sydney, can you tell us what day your birthday is? February 5th. That's so exciting. We're so excited to celebrate Sydney's birthday on February 5th. And we have one more birthday in February. Do you guys know who else has a birthday in February? Jackson. Yes, that's correct. Jackson, when is your birthday? February 22nd? We're very excited to celebrate Jackson's birthday on February 22nd. Does anyone else know any other important days or celebrations in February? I know one. February is Black History Month. It's an important time where we learn about different important Black people currently alive or in our history. And we learn about all the amazing things they did for all of us and how they've made all of our lives better.